to Green Bay Beer. Hi, Mom. Hi, Courtney's mom. Hi, Mom. All right, here's the question. Who's feeling stupid? All right, come on up here a little bit. Up in front, come on. Here's what we're gonna do. Just follow my lead and do what I do. Right on in, right on down, right on in, and just take it up. Look on in, look on out, look on in, and just take it up. Rock it in, rock it out, rock it in, and just take it up. Left foot in. Come on now, put it out. Left foot in, and we're shaking it out. Here we go, you ready? Give me the whole week again. Whole week again. Whole week again. Ah, stupid. Whole week again. Blame it on the heat. Left elbow in. Left elbow out. Left elbow in. Right elbow in. Right elbow out. Right elbow in. Right him in. See best of it. Right him out. Right him in, baby. Throw it out. Left him in. Left him out. Left him in. Baby, what if that really is what it's all about?
Ever been here before?
No.
No? Oh, you guys are ready for a treat?
Yeah, we're nowhere near here.
Nowhere near here. We get people that visit from all over, so.
We are still at Green Bay Pier, and it's snack time here. I was told that this is a Wisconsin thing. It's called cannibal toast, cannibal something, cannibal sandwiches. Cannibal sandwiches. And from my understanding, it's raw meat.
Raw ground beef.
Raw ground beef.
On rye
So
toast.
on rye toast. Raw ground beef on rye toast. Thank you, Rob. So I have that and cheese curds from Wisconsin, and I've never had cheese curds.
And
so,
those were made this morning.
They were made fresh this morning. So the raw, I've had raw fish. I wonder if it's like sushi. Raw tuna is pretty good.
With Fruit Insurance, you have the power to control your own rates, all from an app. Fruit is a new type of car insurance that looks deeper than other insurers by using sensors in your smartphone.
Okay.
Just download the app, get on the road, and we'll take care of the rest.
It tastes like,
Things like braking.
if you've ever had a medium rare burger, and I do eat medium rare burgers, it tastes like a medium rare burger. I mean, it tastes like raw hamburger with onions on rye.
Do you like it?
I do, because I eat medium rare meat. So yes, and I've had medium rare burgers. So yes, I like it. Cheese curd. That's different.
It's good with the...
It is. It's a different texture than cheese.
But not only is the cheese good when you eat it with the sausage.
It's a cheesy cheese, a chewy cheese. I like the cheese curds. They're good.
They are good.
So I like my cheese curds and my raw hamburger. I can do Wisconsin thing.
You can have that raw hamburger. I'm not trying it.
invites them to apply to your job.
Okay.
All right, here we are. We've just went through. I got a cheat sheet. The
Green
Bay Fear. It has multiple haunts. That's why I wanted to make sure I got everything right. We're at the Shriners Club, as you can see here. But we went through the Howling Hollow, Mr. Jingles Funhouse, with some quality karaoke going on there. The Shawano Manor Haunted House. And we've ran out of time, so it doesn't look like we're going to make it into their escape room experience. It says self-guided. Maybe that's what we went through at the end, that last little room.
Maybe.
But this haunt is a fundraiser for a children's hospital. I didn't know it was a Shriners at first. Now I kind of get it. But I believe the people were volunteers. It's hot out here. These people, I didn't see one bad actor or actress. But there is one dude, to me, in the Shawano Manor Haunted House.
He was great.
That dude killed it. Like, giving you the intro when you come in, I mean, the man killed it. Like,
he did.
Like, he did awesome. He's got two ladies with him.
The one that comes out.
And then, yes.
He comes outside and brings you in.
Yes. Yeah, he did a great job. And then once they let you into the haunt, the way you enter the haunt is so unexpected. Like, it's cool. It's cool. But I think they did a really good job. Like, some of the rooms was really just top notch. I mean, you know, you would think something that's kind of a fundraiser wouldn't be that good, but I think they did great. And the actors did amazing. And like I said, it's hot out here. And to be in full costume, makeup, mask, they did a really good job. So if you're in the area when it cools down, I'm sure the show is going to be even better. So I wouldn't hesitate to come here if I'm in the Green Bay area.
So on to is it the National Railroad Museum?
Well, also there's some snacks and beverages.
Yeah.
One, I would not even try because it is raw ground beef.
It was good.
I take her word for it. And then we got the sausage and cheese curds, which I've never had.
Cheese curds were good too.
And the cheese curds were fresh, made this morning. They were pretty good. But
There'll
we got
be a video of it at the
we
end.
got video of that. Got some video of Mr. Jingles. Not sure we can get away with it due to
I don't know. It's
copyright of the songs.
I might have to put music with the music in order not to get the copyright violation.
But man, that man was out there singing his heart out in full costume with the sun beating down on him. But yeah, I had a good time. I enjoyed it. But now we're going to the National Railroad Museum, where we're going to go to take a train to Terror on the Fox.
I'm sure we can record on the train. What do you think?
Should be able to. I know they said we're going to have dinner. I don't know if there's going to be
dinner train, Bardstown, Kentucky dinner train. I don't know. I'm just saying.
I don't know if there's going to be anybody, like if it's going to be haunt themed or anything.
Yeah.
But the bus is waiting on us, so
we got to go.
We're out of here.